Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to do the unboxing of the Sony MDR-XB950AP headphones. Now these are extra bass headphones with 40mm drivers. Now they also allow phone calls because they have built-in mic and a remote. So you can pick calls with Android, iPhones and Blackberries, and you can even use it on a computer. So it's universal, so you can use it anywhere. Now the good thing about this is because there's a sale going on right now, so different places different sales are going on, so you can get this pretty cheap. So there are two more versions, 650, 850, all these versions below this. Now this one is for 6,500 rupees. On sale you might get it for around 3,500, 4,000 rupees. Since it's freedom sale and there are a lot of deals going on, I bought this and I wanted to show you if it's going to be worth your money or not, whether you should buy it right now or maybe wait for later on. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what all do we get with this. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox it. So let me get my unboxing knife. Okay. Okay, so let's see what all is written on this. So basically it just says 40mm drivers, comfort head cushion. So this one you'll see the cushion is different. It's not your regular cushion, it's got different kind. We'll be looking at that later on. Now bass booster, so it's got some technology built into it, not related to electronics. It's basically the body, the frame is made in such a way where the bass can be boosted. So we'll be looking at that also. It shows you the mic, so basically it's a one button mic. So okay, let's just open it up. Nothing much written over here. Okay, open from here. Okay. Okay, so there's another box inside. You have to open that too. Okay, another box. Okay, what's this? Okay, so that's how the earphone is presented. They've packed it well. Looks like recyclable packaging. Okay, that's the pamphlet. We'll look at that later. Okay, nothing else inside this. Oh, those are nice. Okay, let me keep this also aside. We'll look at that later. Let's see if there's anything else. Okay, so that's it that you get with this box. Okay, so let's take a closer look. So basically these are made of plastic, but there is metal used over here and this band is metal. Now this actually feels pretty premium. Now I do own the MDR-XB900 also, so I'll show you that too. So you can see what's the difference or what they have actually changed. I'll be making a separate video, comparison video later on, but just for your information, I'll just show you that too. So build quality is pretty good. The only thing is, now these corners are little sharp. They won't really cut you, but you can actually feel them. Now that's a good thing and a bad thing for some people. Maybe they like to feel the headphone that way. Some people actually like the sharper corners. But if you compare it with the previous one, so this is the well, that's the model. Okay, so MDR-XB900 and this is the MDR-XB950. So if you look at it clearly, they've changed a lot. Now this is super light. Now this one is heavy. Now when I bought this was for 8,000 rupees. Now this one, the MRP itself was 6,500. So they have actually brought the price considerably down. Now over here you'll see that Okay, actually I won't compare right now. So over here you have mostly everything plastic, so the only metal used is over here, and this part, actually not even this part, this is also plastic. So the only metal you see is here, but this one actually has a lot of metal used, so that's good, which has actually made this pretty light, because this is stainless steel, and that makes it lighter. Now the entire design has changed. Now this is a 40 mm driver, the previous one was a 50 mm driver, and I thought that the sound quality may differ. So I'll be talking about that later on. So let's just check the build quality first. So the plastic is premium, the metal is also very nice. I don't know how long the color is going to remain, whether it'll scrape off easily. I don't know, that we'll check later on. Now the earmuffs, especially the earmuffs, I really like the earmuff design. Now the previous Sonys or any of the previous, like maybe 4 years back, if you look at the earphones, they used to use this kind of material which is inside. Now you can recognize it by just bending it. It actually gets a lot of wrinkles in it. So this kind of material actually degrades, the coating comes off. Now the other material that they've used, the one on the outside, is better. The inside one is not that great, but since it's inside, it will not be visible. So when you're wearing it, this is the only part which will be seen. So this is fox leather, this is also fox leather on the top. So this actually gives you a very nice comfort level. So all in all, excellent build quality. The wires are very nice. You have flat wires with a mic over here, so the mic is not over this place where most of the earphones have nowadays, and that really makes the sound bad. You can't really hear the person properly. So this one, the mic is over here, so that's a good thing. It does have just a call answer button, so you do not get the volume control over here, so you'll still have to use your phone or whatever device you're using to control the volume. Now one more thing which is different is, now the wires are coming out of both the sides instead of one side like the previous model. So you may or may not like that. So I'm just getting used to it. After I use it for some time, only then I'll comment on it. Right now I really won't comment on that. So all in all, excellent build quality, much better than the previous one, the 950. It's much better than that. Okay, so let's talk about the sound quality. Now the sound quality on them, I mean, I really can't say anything right now, nothing much right now, because I just started using it, but definitely much better than the 900s. So the previous model had a 50 mm drivers, this has 40 mm drivers, but this actually does a better job than the 900. Now the 900 would be better for people who have a DAC, who have a heavier system. This is better for a phone or a device which doesn't have too much of power. It actually gives you much better sound with a phone than a 900 can. So very good sound, excellent bass. Now this one actually vibrates. So when you go beyond 70% volume, this one actually starts vibrating, and I really like the vibrating bass. So I really love low-end bass on earphones or headphones. So this is excellent for bass heads. The mids and the lows are balanced, so you will not get too much of treble, not you won't get chan 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 sound too much. It'll all be balanced. Everything is focused on bass. So I really like the sound quality. If you are a bass head or if you like bass, then these are the headphones for you. Okay, so the conclusion: excellent earphone for excellent headphone for 6,500 rupees, because the previous one was 8,000 rupees, and that and if you compare it with that, this is very good portability wise. Taking it around and roaming around is much better with this, because it's very light in comparison to the previous version. And the sound quality, you can't really compare it with the previous one. It is much better, but the previous one, the 900, would be much better on a DAC, on a bigger heavier amp. The other one will be better. This one will not be able to handle that much of output. So in case you have a DAC you can look at the other one, the 900. If you are using it on a phone, then this is a much better option. It gives you much better sound. I've already compared both of them. The sound quality of this one and the bass produced is much better on this than the previous model. So all in all, excellent build quality, excellent sound. The feel of the wire, the mic is very nice. I haven't really tested the mic for sound quality. I have heard a little bit of complaint about that, so I'll be testing that. So you can wait for that video. I'll be putting that very soon. So if you want a complete comparison between this and 900, do comment, so I'll do that also. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.